guys, may bike. Bike was broke. No, excuse me. Okay, so we're going. So may bike. Naman. I don't know how. Guys, I'm not sanay because my... Huh? No, Hindi na ano?
Siguro lang ako sa scooter mo. Kasi tumalbog ako.
I'm not sanay with joking, guys.
Kailangan hindi ka bata. I think alam mo may bonding. Sabi mo na kaya yung kuwan.
Basta papalit
Dala mo pa?
Basta papalit ang...
Hindi na.